This summer school organized by ALS Unit Jena is very timely and very relevant. On the one side, we see the rapid rise of large language models and automated AI systems that are basically transforming the way that we work, the way that we communicate, while at the same time they are blurring a little bit the boundaries between what is truth and what is misinformation, reminding us the responsibilities and the risks that comes with such powerful technologies.
I'm here at the ALS Summer School in Jena, which is a great opportunity to meet early career researchers and talk about artificial intelligence and new methods related to AI generalizability and interpretability and applications related to Earth system science.
Jena unit is actually doing a fantastic job also in tackling most of the present challenges, from forecasting extreme events and understanding processes with machine learning to many different other aspects. This is a great opportunity for us to come here and to discuss further collaboration initiatives.
The field of AI and machine learning is experiencing rapid developments at the moment, and I think it's part of our job to see how we can use them for the common good in general and Earth system science and climate in particular. And the ALS Summer School is doing exactly this. It's bringing together experts and scholars from all over the world to learn together, but also discuss research questions and see how we can use these developments to create something new and good.
Personally, I don't do very much with machine learning or artificial intelligence. And what I made, it was a plea for, not forgetting that we need some basic field science to support all of the data that goes into the models and the machine learning. And I also think what we can get out of this kind of analysis that's being done with machine learning is ways to improve where we take our samples, how efficiently we spend our resources, where we can answer questions or reduce uncertainties the most.
It's just been wonderful to see how young people and students are wanting to learn, and that there's just a huge appetite.
I just gave a keynote talk on peatland remote sensing using AI for large-scale mapping. I'm really excited to see what the students have been working on, and I've had some really great conversations about field data collection and climate models and AI, so this has been a really great week so far.
This week was a blast. I learned a lot about uncertainty quantification, hybrid modeling, large-scale AI application to earth sciences.
The summer school has been very useful for me because it has helped me think up of ideas, and I've learned a lot of very useful techniques here. It has definitely given me some very good ideas about the path forward for my own research.
I'm super happy that we were able to host this summer school and attract so many brilliant speakers and also very, very brilliant students. So I'm really proud of that. Actually, we were able, and I think that's really important, to bring together domain scientists and machine learners on the one hand. We had talks that bridge from theory to very practical applications. And so this is really important, these kind of events, to bring together the AI community in Europe with different methods, but also bring them together with the domain scientists, in this case with the Earth system science. And that's exactly also our mission in the ALS Unit Jena.
So what I think is so special about this event is you are not only talking about machine learning, or you do not discuss only AI topics with the students, but you really care about the applications, relevant applications.
Every evening we have something going on. Yesterday was the best day of summer school in my opinion, where we visited a castle and then we visited a national park. And I think these are important. I also heard that some people went for running together today morning. I think it helps build connections that hopefully last beyond the summer school.
We had in March, more than 400 applicants, and we selected 140 out of them, and then all the work started. We invited more than 20 tutors for our research challenges. We invited also 9 keynote speakers, and we had also CO2 Hero sessions where they did live coding with a group of more than 100 participants in parallel sessions.
Wow, what a week. It's now Friday afternoon and we are currently finishing up with the group presentations. For us as an organization team, it's been a crazy effort. Really, there have been over 20 people involved in making the summer school a reality, working day and night, bringing boxes and crates and tables from A to B, setting up everything, all the posters. I just gotta say, this team at the LS Unit Jena is absolutely fantastic at pulling things like this off.